everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, it is a new month, and that means it's new rebates for Ibotta. Ibotta had some good, decent ones. There was one that I wanted to do, and I'm glad I scanned it when I got to the store because it was gone. I think it was there this morning, and then it was gone. I hate when they do that, but whatever. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. I got like a couple things that were money makers and free. There was a weekend voyeur that just popped up. That's why I like to shop on Thursdays now, because I used to do it on Mondays, and I'm like, why? I can get more money if I shop like right before the weekend. So, but I just needed 5 items for the weekend voyeur for $3. Everybody gets them differently, but I got 5 items for $3, which was awesome. I needed 20 items for level 1 for 50 cents. So I didn't hit level 1. I was like 3 short or whatever, which totally fine with me. So I'm just gonna grab everything and share with you guys. So the Poise pads, these are the activewear. These are $4.18. My coupon did not scan at the store. She was like reading it, and she's like, okay, is this it? And I'm like, yep. She's that, yep. Like it was the same exact thing in the picture, but it did not scan, so she entered it in. There is a printable coupon that you guys can print from poise.com for $3. I think if you go to Scott's Brands, you can print off a $2 off coupon. This is a limited one, so there is that, and I only had just that one coupon. So you guys want to use that $3 off coupon, you guys would pay $1.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it an 82-cent moneymaker. So these came out to be absolutely free. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points for that. I know you guys are getting sick of me doing this, but I had to get another Gatorade bottle. We really like these bottles, especially with Ben and Charlotte starting to drink water out of them. So these were $4.97. You guys would pay $4.97, but you would get a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.97. So I just got more of these, and I'm going to keep getting them. I think usually they reset about 5 times. So you can usually get these items about 5 times, but a lot of you guys are like, oh, I bought it again, and it never showed up. Yeah. Don't buy that stuff unless you guys know for sure it's going to reset. I see a lot of you guys comment saying, hey, I bought 2 of these, and try to do them on separate transactions, because Ibotta's been really catching it that you've already scanned that receipt. So just letting you guys know that it's not always guaranteed that it'll reset. So just giving you guys a clarification if you're new to Ibotta. Ibotta is my favorite app. If you guys haven't checked, if you guys have not joined, I have a referral link below. You guys can get some free money when you submit your first receipt. So I was debating on getting these deals, and I'm just like, oh, do I want to? Do I want to? And I'm like, yeah. So I ended up getting the Degree Advanced Protection. These were $5.94. I used $2 off coupons that we got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $3.94 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate, 2 different rebates with Ibotta, making them $1.94. Now these also are Unilever, so Fetch Rewards. You'd get points for these, but my app didn't catch these, so I have to like fix it. But you know, for $1.94, I don't know if that's a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys that, because everybody likes different stuff, and it's more than 50% off. That's a good deal. I got these last week and totally forgot to show you guys, like they're in the bottom, because I get groceries when I shop at Walmart. So this little thing of soap, there's a 2-pack. These are 97 cents. You guys would pay 97 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. I think this ends soon, you guys, because usually when we're getting coupons, the rebates expire right before we get those coupons. So yeah, but 75 cents. You guys would just get this for 22 cents. That's 11 cents a bar, which is a pretty decent deal. It smells pretty decent, so yeah. Now I got this little guy, this little tiny little thing. He's just a cutie little thing. This was $1.97. $1.97 for like that much deodorant, okay? That's kind of a ripoff. Like, I understand it's travel size, but it's kind of a ripoff. So this was $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, which is kind of cool, making them just 47 cents. And that is the price I will pay for a travel size deodorant. Usually you can get these in like little boxes and stuff. Like, I want to start getting Target boxes again. I'm thinking maybe they used to sell it like crazy, but now they're not as hot of an item. But yeah. Okay, what else do I got in my bag? I got nothing else. I keep these just in case we need them for the children. Okay, so the next deal I was actually pretty excited about. Now, I haven't gotten Always and Tampax in my Ibotta rebate for a while. I always see people talking about it, but I never get them. I don't know why. Every rebate is different. Regions, no idea. It's stupid. But I was super excited to get these, the Tampax Pearl. These were $3.83. There is a limited 2, plus the coupon is a limited 2. I used a $1 off coupon that I got for these. And then I also, you guys would pay $2.83 for each one. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta. It comes out to be a 17-cent moneymaker for each one, which I was pretty excited about. Like I said, I always scan these every single time I go to the store because sometimes things don't scan. I wanted to get the Always, but the cheapest one was like $5.47, and I had that $1 off coupon, but then you got like $2 back, so it comes out to be like $2.47. It could be a good deal for you guys. For me, it's not. I like to go a little bit cheaper, but if you guys, you know, are brand loyal, definitely go ahead and do that. I had to scan a bunch of stuff, and it wasn't working. So another deal that I was going to do that I mentioned was there's a freebie called Love Good Fats. It's like a protein bar or whatever. It was in there this morning, and it disappeared. I scanned it and it said nothing available, and I'm like, well, I'm so glad I didn't spend $7 on something I don't want to buy. So yeah, I ended up getting a different flavor of the Listerine Ready Tabs. Now, there was some $1 off coupons for these on coupons.com. They're gone. They're gone. I'm like, oh, I wish I printed more. But those coupons are only a limit 1 per transaction anyways. But this was $2.58. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon, you would pay $1.58 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it a 42-cent money maker. Yeah, man. Okay, then I also got, now this is not a Ibotta deal, but I love Huggies. I've been waiting for some deals. I ended up getting some Huggies, okay? Now, it's through Fetch Rewards, and it said it's a limit of 2, but from what I read, for the limit of 2, you have to do them in 2 separate transactions. If you guys are doing that, let me know. I think it's in 2 separate transactions that it needs to be done, so I'm gonna definitely do this deal again. So this was $1.75 at my store. You guys would pay $1.75 for this, but then I got a $1.50 back with Fetch Rewards, so I got 1,500 points, which is equivalent to $1.50. So I got this bad boy for a quarter. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I actually like the Huggies wipes better than the Pampers. I like the Pampers because they have a better point system than the Huggies. The Huggies, you gotta like scan your receipt. I know with the Pampers, you gotta enter the codes, which I sometimes like entering the codes. But, you know, for 25 cents, I'm not complaining for that. So if that, before it ends, I want to do that deal again. Now, I I ended up getting some yogurt. Now I got the Dannon Light and Fit yogurt. This was 90 cents. You guys would pay 90 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 40 cents. So if you guys want to do that. And then I got the Ochio's Triple Zero yogurt. Now this was 88 cents. You guys would pay 88 cents for this. You can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it 38 cents. So 38 cents for that. And I got 2 more items for you guys. Yeah, we have these bags in case there's an accident or anything happens and we're like, oh, we need a bag. So I got this again, the Rimmel face shimmer stuff, which I actually really like. This is $3.97. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon, you would pay $2.97. You can submit a $1.35 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.62. So, yeah. Then I got the Rimmel eyebrow pencil, and now this was $3.47. They did add some prices to that aisle, but not to the stuff that I wanted. But $3.47, you guys would pay use a $1 off coupon. You would pay $2.47 for this. You can submit a $1.40 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.07. So it's an okay deal. And I just dropped it between my seat. I gotta get it. So that was my haul, you guys. Sorry, I just dropped it between my seat. My total came to $33.50 for all that stuff. Like I said, I didn't finish level 1, 50 cents. I mean, it does add up, but whoopee. But I did finish the Weekend Warrior, so I got $3 for that. I got a Dannon bonus, so I got 50 cents off of that. So technically that Dannon yogurt I got was technically a moneymaker. And then I got 1,593 points or whatever for fetch rewards. So let's just say I got $1.50 for fetch rewards for the the Huggies. So my grand total came to $7.25. I got 14 items at just 52 cents a piece. That's a pretty good deal. I mean, if $7.25, if you guys took the like $4 from the Gatorade, it would be a whole lot cheaper than that, but I like getting that Gatorade bottle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this a thumbs up. Let's help you guys. I'm trying to help you guys finish some levels, and if you guys want to be on my team, you can look at the information below. I have it where you guys can friend request me on Facebook. I will check out your profiles. I get a lot of fake people. I get some really real winners who friend request me. People that are so fake, it's ridiculous. So yes, so friend request me if you guys want to be on my Ibotta team. Just make sure your app is connected to Facebook. And yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.